Simplifying English. Unlocking relative pronouns. Hello, English learners. In this video, we are going to review key concepts related to relative pronouns. If you've been following our series on compound and complex sentences, you're in the right place to deepen your understanding and refine your usage of this fundamental aspect of English grammar. Relative pronouns are words like who, whom, whose, which, and that. They connect clauses or phrases to a noun or pronoun, providing additional information about it. For instance, consider the sentence, "The man who lives next door is a chef." Here, who is a relative pronoun linking the clause, lives next door, with the man. Let's delve into who, whom, and whose. We use who and whom to refer to people. Who is used for subjects while whom is for objects. Remember, who does something. Whom is something done to. For example, the woman who baked the cake is my aunt. Here, who refers to the subject, the woman. The girl whom you met at the party is my cousin. Here, whom refers to the object, the girl. Whose is used to show possession. For instance, the man whose car is blue lives next door. Next up, which and that. Both can refer to things, but only which can be used for animals. An important difference lies in their use, which introduces non-defining clauses, while that introduces defining clauses. For example, the book, which has a red cover, is on the table. Here, which introduces a non-defining clause. The book's color isn't vital to identify it. The dog that has a blue collar is mine. Here, that introduces a defining clause. The color of the collar is important to identify the dog. And there you have it, a quick but comprehensive review of relative pronouns. Remember, these little words play a significant role in creating detailed, precise sentences. So, keep practicing, and soon they will become second nature to you. I hope this review has been helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in our next English language learning video. Happy learning, everyone!